Products for visually impaired/blind people. Chapter 1. Products to help people with low or no vision. A Braille Information Guide. There are 6 dots in a Braille cell. Letters are formed using different combination of these dots. Braille uses many contractions, which means that for major, commonly used words there is only one symbol as opposed to several different letters. There is also a Braille code for math and for music. Try number 411 at the library. American Foundation for the Blind. 11, Penn Plaza. Number 300. NYC 10001. 212-502-7600. 800 AF Blind. 212-620-2158. TDD. Fax, 212-502-7777. New York at afb.net. afb.org. American Printing House for the Blind. 1839, Frankfort Avenue. POB 6085. Louisville, Kentucky 40206. 502-895-2405. Fax, 502-899-2274. 800-223-1839. Info at aph.org. aph.org. Braille Institute of America. 741 N Vermont. La California 90029. 800 Braille. BrailleInstitute.org. Magazines, Braille Mirror and Light. Woman's Braille Press Archives. University of Minnesota Archival Collections Guides. archives.lib.umn.edu/repositories/13/resources/2007. Feminist Literature on Tape and in Braille. The titles are available through the National Library Service for the Blind. National Braille Association. 3 Town Line Circle. Rochester, New York 14623. 716-427-8260. 800-244-5797. nationalbraille.org. National Federation of the Blind. International Braille and Technology Center for the Blind. 1800 Johnson St. Baltimore, Maryland 21230. 410-659-9314. Fax, 410-685-5653. 800-638-7518. nfb.org. National Library Service for the Blind and Physically Handicapped. 1291 Taylor St. Northwest. Washington, D.C. 20542. 202-707-5100. 800-424-8567. 800-424-8572. loc.gov/nls. They will send out Braille books and books on tape free by postage-free mail to handicapped people. Braille books/audio reading materials for sale. New York Times Large Print Weekly. 229 West 43rd St. NYC 10036. 800-631-2580. NewYorkTimes.com. Newspaper in large print. Reader's Digest in Braille or large print edition. 1839 Frankfort Avenue. POB 6085. Louisville, Kentucky 40206. 502-895-2405. ReadersDigest.com. Recordings for the Blind and Dyslexic. 20 Roselle Road. Princeton, New Jersey 08540. 800-221-4792. rfbd.org. These people record books and lend them to blind people. Braille book websites. afb.org/braillebug, braillebug. afb.org/braillebug. aph.org, 800-223-1839, American Printing House for the Blind. arkenstone.org, 800-444-4443, Braille and large print books. Blazie.com, books in Braille. Booksontap.com, 800-626-3333. BrailleNet.com. BraillePlus.net, Braille Plus. Brailler.com. BrailleWorldIndia.com. ChoiceMagazineListening.org. CNIB.ca. .lessbraille.org/braillecontractions.htm. DoubledayLargePrint.com, 317-541-8920, large print books. HotBraille.com, translates text into Braille. Humanware.com, Braille readers on the Internet. NAVH.org, large print loaning library by mail. NBP.org, National Braille Press. Telesensory.com, 800-804-8004. Reading aids for sale. Bookholder.com, Bookholder. Magnifiers.com, magnifiers visually impaired, low vision, blind. Magnifyingcenter.com, the Magnifying Center, aid for the visually impaired. medesign.co.uk/products/bed_sleep/bed_sleep.html, Medesign Ltd, bed sleep products. rexart.com/artograph.html, artograph projectors. Telesensory.com, telesensory, personal reading systems and computer magnification systems for enlarging text. Telesensory.com, the reading edge. TouchTurner.com, TouchTurner. Westons.com/a catalog/online_catalog_deluxe_glasses_646.html, Westons Internet Deluxe Prism Glasses. Wisent.com/reading.htm, assistance with reading and writing. Vision product websites. AI2.com. ArcticTech.com. Blazie.com, 800-444-4443, products for learning disabilities and visual impairments. BossartSpecialties.com, 800-776-5885. CustomiES.com. DuxburySystems.com, blind products. HEAR-IT.com/website.html, web access for visually impaired. Humanware.com, 800-722-3393. ILP-ONLINE.com, 800-377-8033. IMAGE4U.com, magnifier for the sight impaired. IndependentLiving.com, 800-537-2118. Lighthouse.org, 800-829-0500, Low Vision Organization, Catalog of Products. Lovis.com, 888-781-0425. Magnichem.com. NAVH.org/shop, organization which has a catalog of products. Optelec.com, vision magnification. OUTA-SIGHT.com, 888-876-4733. SightLossSolutions.org. techno-vision.co.uk. Telesensory.com. Visuade.com. Vision products for sale. Allied Technologies of Virginia. 888-781-0425. AlliedVA@AOL.com. Lovis.com. American Foundation for the Blind. 11 Penn Plaza. Number 300. NYC 10001. 212-502-7600. 800 AF Blind. 800 AFB Line. 212-620-2158. TDD. Fax, 212-502-7777. AFB.org. Catalog of Products. Campanian Society. 513-524-4846. Campanian.org. Tours for Blind People. Humanware.com. 800-722-3393. High-tech equipment for blind people. IBM.com. 800-426-4832. Independence Center. Innovations. 800-854-6554. Magnichem.com. Integrated Visual Healing. 510-357-0477. Visualhealing.com. Lighthouse.org. 800-346-9579. 800-829-0500. LSNS Group. 800-468-4789. 800-317-8533, TTY. lssgrp@aol.com. lssgroup.com. Products for the visual and hearing impaired. Luxo Lamp Corp. 800-222-5896. Lighting products. Maxiaids.com. 800-522-6294. 800-468-4789. Microstim.com. 800-326-9119. navh.org. 212-889-3141. ocutech.com. 800-326-6460. info@ocutech.com. randomhouse.com. 800-726-0600. Large print books. readersdigest.com. 800-877-5293. Large print books. THEWRIGHT-STUFF.com. 877-750-0376.